Guys, this is the Buffalo Special 6 Smock, okay? You've seen me wear it in loads and loads of videos, guys, and let's get into it. So what is it? Guys, it is a Pertex fiber lined smock, okay? This is the absolute bomb, the absolute, you know, people in the outdoors in the UK and Ireland to talk about the best piece of kit you can get. The Buffalo Special 6 is it. And guys, yes, it is a very good piece of kit, but it's not perfect. It's not perfect, okay? And here's right. No, first of all, guys, I have owned a bar now. Bruno wants attention. I have owned one of these since. That's enough. That's enough. Sit. Good job. I've owned one of these since 2001. Okay, so that's nearly 20 years, right? So this is the second one I have owned. I have had various other ones. I have snug packs and Montane ones and stuff like that, guys, and they are not as good as the Buffalo. They're not, okay? So what we have, let's look at features, guys. Okay, so what we have is we have a Pertex outer. We have pit zips, okay? Pit zips that zip down for venting or up. To take it on and off, okay? Both sides. We have a large map pocket across the chest, and we have a kangaroo style lined, fleece lined hand warming pocket, guys, okay? We got a high zip, Velcro storm closure, okay? Zips go all the way up, guys, so that you can take it on and off easy, and it is, the whole thing is fleece lined, pile lined, whatever you want to call it, guys. There probably is a term for it, okay? Now, the difference between the Special 6 and the other one, guys, is that it's longer in the back, okay? I think that's it. This is a size 40, guys, which is sort of a medium, all right? I like it this size. Another cool feature, guys, is there's a strap on the inside of your pocket. You can pull it tight, and that cinches the whole thing in really tight around your waist, but you can still get access to your hand warming pockets. All right, guys, many regard this as the best piece of outdoor gear, okay, and they are not far wrong. This thing is excellent, absolutely excellent, guys. I remember looking at people when I was a trainee outdoor instructor, looking at guys with these on and thinking to myself, I want one of those. As soon as I get some money together, I'm buying a Buffalo. And I did. Guys, and I had it for a very long time. Sorry, light's a wee bit funny here today. Gonna move. I had it for a very long time, guys. I had it for like 15 years or something, okay? The only reason why I got rid of it was because I wanted a green one. Yeah, guys, sorry, just moved, get better light. So, the only reason why I got rid of the other one, guys, was because it was red and black, and I wanted a green one, okay? I'd had it a long time, guys, and the thing about them is, right, they are really well designed, okay? They are really well made. Anybody that's into the outdoors in this part of the world knows about them and possibly has worn one at some stage, guys. They function very, very well. But they do have... Bruno's doing something in the camera. They do have a couple of shortcomings, guys. They do have. There's two especially, okay? Right? One, they're made of Pertex. Pertex is brittle, okay? If you own a buffalo or have owned a buffalo, did it rip? Okay, so what do I mean? Guys, I love busting through, climbing up rocks and going through bushes and scrambling across stuff and everything. Little tears on these guys. You know, it's very easy to tear, I have to say, alright? So, that, and the hood, guys. Okay, so, let's look at what I have on here. This hood is absolutely kick-ass. Kick-ass, okay? This hood is made by Montane. This is the hood of a Montane Extreme Smock, which fits perfectly onto your buffalo, guys. And it is by far like a million times superior to the buffalo hood. Guys, I had a hood on my other buffalo that was made by Buffalo, and it was just ridiculously bad. I don't understand how a company who can... I don't understand a company who have done so good in making this smock, guys, can then just sort of, you know what, did they just stop designing stuff when it came to the hood? I don't understand. Okay, and it's still the same. That's still the same hood that they're using, so they haven't changed up the design. Guys, I wear this all the time. All the time. Okay? You know, I love it. I love it. Don't get me wrong. It is an excellent, excellent, excellent piece of kit. But it's not perfect. And it is my quest for that perfect outdoor garment that keeps me searching so that you guys have stuff to watch, okay? And it's hard. It's very, very hard to find. I would like something like this. I like this classic style, or classic fit is what they call it. Let me just show you guys what I mean. Okay, so it's quite streamlined. It's there's not a lot of... Stop it, you two. So I like this classic fit, you know, it's quite streamlined, there's not a lot of bells and whistles going on. I do like, from wearing the Garpethan stuff, I do like having the pockets here and here. But it's the Pertex, guys. It's the Pertex. What I want is I want a smock, like the Buffalo smock, but not made of Pertex. Cotton canvas, something like that. Anyway, listen, that's something completely different. Anyway, guys, Buffalo Special 6 smock is absolutely class, but it's not perfect. Thanks for watching. Stay frosty. Hey, hey, hey! Look, watch this. You wonder why I'm like a crazy man shouting at dogs all the time. This is what I have to put up with. Bruno, leave her alone. Bruno. Well, he's losing his mind. Losing his mind, eh? Losing his mind.